Good morning and welcome. I am Heat Budgets. I am stopping by this afternoon just to say hello, to give a shout out to all my subscribers, both new and old. I'll start by saying welcome. Welcome if it's your first time here. Welcome back if you've been to my channel before. What you see in front of me today is a savings challenge. So if you watch my videos, you see that I don't actively have any what we'll call savings challenges. I have my binders that I do stuff monthly, and I save a specific amount for all of my categories, depending on my income for the month, but not like actively working on any savings challenges. So I thought this would be a great one to start. This savings challenge is 1,000 subscriber challenge, and I'm excited to get started on it. I've gotten some great responses from some of my videos, and my subscribers have grown significantly over the past week. I've started my channel, I believe, mid last month, so I'm happy with the response that I'm getting. A lot of encouragement to just keep budgeting, a lot of new comments that help make my budget better, and I appreciate you all for that. So with this challenge, um, I am going to go ahead and I'm going to do a dollar per subscriber. The cash that you see here is cash that was left over from my bonus, that I have kind of just been holding on to allocate somewhere and to figure out how I wanted to save it. So I will go ahead and use some of it for this area. So right now, as of right this moment, I have, will it show? It won't show. I have 496 subscribers. Awesome number. I appreciate you guys for that. You all for that. Let's see. So the way this challenge goes, it's two. I couldn't get 1,000 on this sheet, but I was able to get 501. So what I'll do is I will count each bell as two. So I will color one bell for each two subscribers. So today, with total count of 496, I'm going to divide that by two, and I'm going to save, I'm going to color in 248 of these little bells, and I'm going to save $496. And I'm actually going to use this container here to save into. And it's a glass jar. Got the lights in there right now, and I think I'll pull those out before stuffing cash. But I'm going to fill this jar, and this will be where I'll save for my 1,000 subscriber challenge. And I guess we'll figure out exactly what I want to do with that cash as we go, but you can help me fulfill this sinking fund. It's actually all up to my subscribers how I get this, how quickly I get this challenge completed. But I am off to an awesome start. I think what I'll do just to keep track of it is I'm going to go ahead and just write on the back of here, two, and I'm going to say 57, and we're adding in 496 was the count. So then when I come back in to add more, I'll be adding up from the 496. All right, so let's start by getting the cash out, and then we can figure out what highlighting these is going to look like. I think I'll try to fast forward again and see how that goes. But as I said before, if it's not something you want to sit and watch me do, definitely feel free to fast forward. So we're going to get some cash out. I think we'll start with, let's see what we have. We need to get to 496. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We'll start high. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82. And I'm not sure how the bills are going to sit in there, but we'll see. 200. Put another 150s. We're minus 300. How about $100 bill here? I'm going to put some of these small ones in here. Let's see what we can do. 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, minus 85. I'm going to pull $1 off of here just to make it even. Minus 1. So we need 110. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Minus 10. We need $100. 20, 40, 60, 81. So this is all that's left now from the bonus, 150, 90. I put some other money out actually, just to see if I wanted to add it to a specific saving fund. I've got it in an envelope just in case I decide to move it there. But right now, this was the amount that was active. Plus this couple dollars left. 1 sec. Okay, I'm back. So I had to grab that call. So we were sorting this money so we can count it up. And we are going to 496, 51, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 80, 400, 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, and 96. So 496 is what we're going to be stuffing today. And we're going to add it to this. Pull these out. I'll be looking forward to getting this to 1,000. It'll be 1,002 if we color every one of our little bells. But today we're going to stuff all this cash in here. Sorry, it's a bad angle. You know what I'm believing? We'll stuff it in here. Yes, it's a great start. And again, this is all due to my subscribers. So thank you for helping me save one subscriber at a time. And put that last bit in there. Where's the top? And cap it off. Beautiful. And for this, and again, this is a part, feel free to fast forward if I can't, but I'm going to go ahead and because I'm doing this saving challenge and I'm going to document it on my sheet, I'm going to just use this highlighter and I'm going to go ahead and highlight. And again, each one of these bells represents 2. And so we are doing the 400 and let's see, our 200. It's 496. We're doing 248. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. This one row has 21. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. And let's see. Divided by 21. So 11. Let's do 21 times 11. That's 231. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This actually won't be so bad. I've gotten some really great comments. I'm so thankful that everyone is taking the time to not only subscribe, but to actually leave a comment. It's helpful, again, for me to grow. Absolutely helpful for me to grow, and I'm thankful for it. I'm thankful for all the just warm welcomes that I've gotten into the budgeting community, and I look forward to uh, growing my skill, being available to answer any questions that I can. Just give another view of budgeting. This is how I budget. Right now, once we finish this whole row, this will be 231. And I've already forgotten how many we're supposed to be doing, so we'll calculate again. And I know it'll be almost half of this. Bam. So this is 231. Let's see, we were doing 496 divided by 2 minus 231. There's an extra 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. And just like that. So it didn't take as long as I thought. Just like that, we're almost halfway through this 1,000 subscriber challenge. And that is thanks to you all getting me there. I appreciate it. Again, this cash came from my bonus. And now it is in my lovely 1,000 subscriber jar. Look forward to getting this fully funded. All right, thanks for stopping by. And just again, something real quick. We're at 11, going into 12 minutes. Appreciate you guys again, just for giving me your time. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you soon. Peace.